Polish your life, brighten your living. Riken Vietnam was established in 2006, starting its chapter in the Vinh Loc Industrial Park in Ho Chi Minh City. In 2016, Riken Vietnam relocated to the Song Than 3 Industrial Park in Binh Duong Province, purchased land to build a modern factory. In 2024, Riken set up a new manufacturing factory in Bac Ninh Province, Vietnam, further continue expanding its production layout and promoting high-quality corporate development. The value of company is rules and integrity, courtesy and honor, pursuit of excellence and meticulousness. The vision of company is professionalism and dedication, turning ordinary work into a meaningful career through earnest effort, rules and integrity, establishing standards for quality and service through craftsmanship and sincerity. We focus on the conversion processing of sandpaper and sandbelts. After years of development, we now have 7 sandbelt conversion production lines and 4 automated disc sandpaper lines. And we continuously develop new abrasive projects, gradually expand our service scope. We have strict control over every step of the manufacturing process. We have a professional quality inspection team. And a technical team composed of senior consultants with over 40 years of sanding experience, integrating barcode scanning technology to achieve efficient and precise quality control and track on our products. We implement the 6S management philosophy to enhance the efficiency and standardization in production and management. At the same time, we utilize professional ERP and CRM systems to manage the company and customer. Our equipment sales and service team can also customize integrated solutions for sanding and coating for our clients. In the future, Riken Vietnam will uphold the core concept ultimate manufacturing, rooted in Vietnam and expanding to the world. With craftsmanship quality and excellent service, we are committed to winning customers' trust, actively exploring the international market. Promoting sustainable development in the industry and creating greater value for society.